everybody, welcome back to the channel. I am working on a video now. This one, I'm gonna put this one up because it's been a couple of weeks since I did a video, so I want to get this one up. But I have projects that I'm working on, so the next video y'all see is gonna be talking about the projects I'm working on, what I'm planning to do. Well, I'm doing it today, but I'm gonna go ahead and put this one out first. So what I am working on is I'm making a makeup bag. So yesterday, as y'all will see in my next video, I prepped everything and I'm using my trusty horse pattern since I got a lot of it. And I'm about to just add my zipper. Got my zipper foot over here and I'm going to do all that. But y'all, I have a lot of stuff going on and couple of things that I've decided to do this year before September the 1st. I'm going to have my garden prep and I'm going to have my product launch. So I will be working on different inventory in the upcoming video. Y'all will know what inventory I'll be working on. I am making a makeup bag now to see, how long it takes. The process of it and everything. And I bought a fabric marker, the water and water air one. I need a heat one. They didn't have that at Hobby Lobby, so I have to order me a new marker so I can make my lines. I saw on XO Charlie's YouTube. I think she has some type of laser. Me, I have a guide bar for my sewing foot, but I don't think it's the right sewing foot for the projects. So I would rather just get, like the heat marker where I can just make the lines, then iron it and all that good stuff. But here's my pattern, the horsey, and then I ironed my my inner lining. Also cut up some fabric to make some more projects, and I'm just working on all kinds of stuff. But this morning I did a really big purchase for my raised beds for my garden. My husband, he had some old branches and stuff from one of his jobs that are in the backyard. We unloaded some of those. So tomorrow my raised garden bed should be coming in. They should start tomorrow, and I should be getting them up until Wednesday. It said Sunday and Wednesday, but post office. But I will be working on those two things, and I'm supposed to make this makeup bag. And also, I got stuff to make my scrunchies. I need to start getting a better work, hobby, life balance. When I work on my work days, I don't want to do nothing but sleep until it's almost time to walk out the door. But I'm trying to do my own thing, launch my own product line, and do stuff around the house that will last a lot longer than these jobs will. I gotta eat better. I need to lose some weight. I'm still on my weight loss journey, and I gotta start doing better. And the stuff they got at the store, it costs too much, and they doing something to that food. I don't care. They are. You can tell by the taste. Compare what they grow at the store to my garden. My garden wins hands down. I had a garden in 2021, 2022, up until I hurt my foot. And I hadn't had a garden since then. But I hate tomatoes with a passion. But the ones I grew in my garden, I love them. I love salsas and, tomato sauces and stuff. So I grew them for my garden so I could can and preserve them. I was eating them raw off the bush. I mean, they were that good. But you put a tomato on my sandwich or my burger, I'm not eating that. I'm not eating that. That's disgusting. But I'm supposed to start working more on my health, mental and physical. And I'm supposed to start with my garden. I used to love gardening, especially the grass freshly cut. I had some wood chips down, my garden beds, and all my seedlings were sprouting, or my fruit were finally producing. My watermelon, my cantaloupes, my strawberries. Love that. Going out to the garden, watering in the morning, watering in the evening. Only thing I'm gonna really miss that I can't get back is my Lucky running around, laying on the grass, taking a nap. My baby's gone. He died last year, but I will be gardening with Lady. She's in her kennel right now, but I'm gonna get back in the garden. And I'm going to get my product line all set up. The things that I have so far, I've made before, only a few of them I haven't. I'm going to be making some scrunchies. I'm going to see how I do with the makeup bags and the bookmarks. I'm going to do the straight ones. I'm not going to do the corner ones. The straight ones, they seem like they go, you can make those quicker, a lot simpler, and I just want to do that. Because those corners, I made them, but they gave me the blues, so turned off the corner bookmarks. But y'all, I am gonna be working on my projects today. I'm gonna make the makeup bag, and I'm gonna make me a bookmark. And in the upcoming video, y'all will see what I'm working on. So far, I'm at this step. Got the panel, got the liner, and I'm just sew on the zippers and all that. I'm following a tutorial by Just So Judith. She gives a great tutorial, but that is what I'm working on, and I will show y'all in the next video exactly what I'm doing, and I will talk to y'all later. If y'all have any comments or questions, drop them below. Please subscribe, turn on that notification bell. I know, shameless plug, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.